Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make a perfect boba every time. This is very chewy and delicious. If you want to learn how I made this, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button. To start, our ingredients start with 10 cups of boiling water. Also have the boba tapioca pearl. I will provide the link down below where I got it from. This is the best tapioca pearl you could get, highly recommended. So we need 1 cup of that, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. When the water starts boiling like this, add 1 cup of boba pearl. Stir 3 times. If you just follow this direction, I can assure you, you're going to have a chewy, perfect, delicious boba. When the boba start floating like this, add the sugar and the honey. And simply stir. Turn the heat into medium heat, cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Just stir this for about 3 times and cover it again, but turn the heat off. Let it set for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Using a big bowl, add an ice cold water, and you're going to transfer the boba pearl into the water. Let it set for about 1 minute. So I use a strainer so it's easy for me to remove it from the water, just like what I'm doing right here. This is a secret to make a chewy boba pearl. Make sure you soak it for about a minute in a cold water. Now we're going to mix a honey and a brown sugar. Add about 1/2 cup of hot boiling water. Dilute this until they're completely diluted, just like what I'm doing right here. Now using a glass container, transfer the cooked boba pearl and then add the sugar and honey mixture. And that's it. This is good to go. You could serve this right away, or you could keep this in the fridge when you're ready to use it. You could keep this in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days. Okay. What do you think about the boba?
Delicious.
Is it cooked right? You like it? So it's cooked right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, let's make the taro.
It has a good texture.
You could add this cooked boba into any milk tea or smoothie. What we did here is we just made a taro smoothie because that's our favorite. And just add the boba and the smoothie and top it with the Cool Whip or whipped cream. This is best paired to any milk tea or a smoothie. I hope you like this video. I hope you're going to give this a try. This is super delicious. Boba, chewy, homemade. Always good. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Ciao!